Hey everyone, today we're going to explore the 3 display options for Cadential 6/4s in Auralia Musition. So the 3 options are 5/6/4, CAD 6/4 and 1/6/4. Note that you do require version 7.0.2 or higher to have access to these options. Please get in touch if you need any information about upgrading. It is a free upgrade for cloud subscribers. Note that once you're upgraded, the 5/6/4 option will be applied by default to all your syllabi and worksheets. For general practice, this option is set per syllabus, so you can find it under the syllabus area here. Simply choose your syllabus from the list and go into the settings here, the settings cog, and choose chord options. And then you can change the setting as required here. So whichever option you choose here will then be applied to any of the relevant topics in the practice area. For tasks, the option is applied per test or per course. And note that by default, the 5/6/4 option is selected. If you need to change this, you can come into the test or the course area and simply select your worksheet or test and go into the settings. When you're working in the notation editor or previewing questions in the library, the Cadential 6/4 display setting will be determined by whatever is set for your default syllabus. You can see the default syllabus that is set for your class under People. So here you can either change your default syllabus, or you can go back to the syllabus area and change the Cadential 6/4 display option that's being applied to your class as previously demonstrated. I hope that was useful. Please get in touch with any questions and feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Take care.